It's Cashy Inspector. We're in Cambrian Park, and I wanted to go through some of these bathrooms. They're gorgeous. We have to take a look. What we have in here is our floating vanity, our black on black countertop with undermount sink, with our dimly lit mirrors so that we can really get the essence of ourselves when we're getting ready in the morning. We have our floating vanity, total space to clean underneath. Love it. Our scorn tile in the shower, as well as our super crystal clear glass and our recessed soapbox with our black Schluter. What I love is having the storage behind the shower. Let's go take a look at the master bathroom. Roman style walk-in curbless shower. Our bowl vessels with our space consolidated floating vanity with a vessel sink. What you can get is harmony. Look at this tile. Understand how this toilet feature works with floating extra space cleaning ability. It's unbelievable. You can't get better than this. Look at this linear drain. Unbelievable. What a beautiful bathroom.